Guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you guys know the drill. My name is Maryann Okonkwo. On this channel I make videos ranging from beauty, lifestyle and vlogs. If those are contents that interest you, then definitely click the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on all the fun videos that I have for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this package. So let me tell you guys very briefly. I was just thinking of a way to reward my customers and those that have been supportive, because I've had people repurchase products, lashes, lip glosses from me more than twice, more than once, and I really wanted to show a token of appreciation. And also, I was also thinking along the line that how can I make that gift branded in such a way that they'll be so happy to wear it like continuously, because when I give cards, I don't know what they do with the cards, but there's nothing as nice as something that is actually thoughtful and that they can actually use, because I know what I purchased for them is what I myself would definitely use. I'm super excited about this because this was a huge investment. So I hope that you guys like it as well and purchase from me. So I was also thinking of a way to distribute this, because it costed like quite a sum, so I don't want to be giving it out to just anybody, and I don't want it to be like, even though I appreciate you buying a lash serum that costs like $3 or $2 on my website, I still want you to purchase something enough that would still be able to cover this cost. I know that it's a gift, but still, we're in business too. I've decided that for everybody that purchases 2 or 3 items, or 3 mostly, from my website, gets a free gift. And if you're a returning customer, you're purchasing for the second time, maybe you've purchased before and you're repurchasing again, your package is definitely coming with this gift. So don't worry, just when you repurchase, you don't have to purchase 2 or 3 items. As far as you're a returning customer, you get this. But if it's your first time purchasing from my website, you need to purchase 2 or 3 items, mostly 3, for you to get this gift, because I spent money making it. So anyways, enough rambling. Just wanted to tell you the steps in order to get it. So now let us unbox it. I'm super excited. I'm going to try to insert a video. I'm so excited. I was looking forward to this for the longest time. So let's unbox this bad boy. Where do we start from now? So I think it's supposed to start from here. So let's cut this off. We can open it from this side actually. So I'm so excited. Yes. Okay, then. I'm so excited, guys. Yeah. And this is what the package looks like. Okay, so let me show you guys. Surprise, surprise! They are pop sockets. Oh, this looks good. So let's open it. So this is what it looks like. Wow. Okay, so let me show you guys. Okay, so when you unbox it, it opens, and this is what I ordered. So these are pop sockets, not just any pop socket. These are high quality pop sockets. The epoxy one, so it's like it has resin or acrylic finish on it. So let me show you. Baby, where's your phone? Let me put it on your phone. Where's your phone? Let me put it on your phone. So this is what it looks like. It's heart shaped, so it has my brand name as well as the website. Yep. So basically, you get your phone for all the customers that have shopped with us and those that are going to shop with us. So you basically take this off, right? And you put it on the back of the phone, like so. And boom, this is what it looks like. So you can rotate it. It's really nice. And boom, this is what it looks like. Are you talking to me? MVP where? Here. This is really nice. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah. Baby, team MVP now. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you guys. Really cute. Yeah, this is fine. So I'm going to do the same quality check across all of them before I share my feedback with the supplier that I worked with. So I'm super excited about this. Yeah, so I look forward to packaging your orders with this new cute gift. So definitely shop with us on maybeautypro.com, and you can also send us a DM. I don't think we've ever accepted any DM purchases, but always shop with us on our website. We encourage that because that makes it more legit and more professional. So, but if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Instagram, of course. This is super duper cute. Love it. Peace. So I'm also using some disinfectant wipe to wipe all of them while I'm putting them back, just to be safe. So the ones that are good, I just wipe it like this. So pretty much a repetitive task. Just gonna do that to every one of them. So pretty much a repetitive task. Just gonna do that to every one of them. I'm gonna just look at it to make sure that this one is fine. Yeah, this one is okay. I'm just gonna put it back.